Hello parents, and welcome to our virtual open house. I'm Mr. Wheeler, and I teach English, literature, and multimedia productions. So behind me I have my class website, and I want to guide you through the various resources that you can get out of this class. So the first thing is that if you scroll down a little bit, you can see some videos that I made. The first one is an introduction to the students that I made about me. And the second one is a deeper dive into my class expectations. But basically, if I were to simplify it, it's show up to class, be in your uniform, have your camera on, and have your mic muted initially when in the class. And then in the video, I go into more about ready to learn and being the solution, and that's really how I frame my class expectations. Also, if you go all the way down to the bottom of the page, you'll see my contact information, which I now realize is behind me. So we need to make that change. So okay, so there you go. You can see the contact information. Please email me anytime you have any concerns, because I check my email multiple times a day, and I'm generally pretty sharp about getting back to you within 24 hours. So let's talk a little bit more about the classes that I teach and the expectations specific to those classes. So the first thing we're going to do is go up, and let's face this way, we are going to go to English. My students sometimes ask me, what's the difference between English and literature? English is more about writing. So the app that we use on this class is No Red Ink. So if you're unsure if my students has been assigned any grammar activities, if you just sign into No Red Ink, you'll see right there whether or not there is an assignment posted. Otherwise, I post full-length writing assignments on Google Classroom, and if you keep up with Google Classroom, you'll find everything you need there. But as long as the students have a No Red Ink account set up and they are participating in class and completing the assignments as assigned, then it should be all smooth sailing from there. So we shouldn't have to worry too much about that. And that's my class, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you for your time and attention. And again, don't forget that if you need to contact me, then my email is over here. And so you can simply contact me when you need me, and I will be happy to respond and talk to you. Otherwise, I am looking forward to a very interesting, challenging but interesting school year. I'm looking forward to it.